In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Slack. Exporting your Slack data is really useful if you need a backup of your messages, want to review information outside of Slack, or have to store records for compliance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also add some context so you know what's happening at each stage. Make sure you're signed into Slack with an account that has the right admin permissions, otherwise you won't see the options we're about to use. To start, open your Slack workspace in a browser. At the top of the interface, look for the admin section. Depending on your plan and setup, this might appear as an admin option in a menu or under workspace settings. Go ahead and click on admin. This takes you into the area where you can manage workspace level settings and tools, including data exports. Once you're in the admin area, look for the option labeled data exports. This is where Slack lets workspace owners or admins generate files containing workspace data. Click on data exports. You will be taken to a dedicated page for managing exports, where you can see existing exports, their status, and options to create a new one. On this page, find the button or link that says Export and click on it. This is what actually starts the process of setting up a new export. When you click Export, Slack will usually ask you to choose what kind of data export you want, and possibly the time range, depending on your plan and policies. You will now see a control or drop-down labeled Choose One, or something very similar. Click on that drop-down. This lets you select the exact type or scope of export. For example, you might be choosing between exporting all public channel data or data for a specific time period. The exact options can vary, but the main idea is that you're telling Slack what dataset you want. After you open that menu, go ahead and select the option that best matches what you need for this export. Take a moment to double check your choice here, especially if you're working with sensitive or large amounts of data. Once you've selected your preferred export option, you're almost done. Finally, look for the button that says Start Export and click on it. Slack will now begin preparing your export file in the background. Depending on how large your workspace is, this may take some time. When it's finished, you'll typically see a link on the same page to download the export file, or you may receive a notification letting you know it's ready. And that's all you need to export data from Slack.